Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you about how to make the modern villa in SketchUp with a swimming pool design. First of all, we have already prepared about this box. So the dimension of this box is around 17 and also 21 meter for the height in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and now we can make the rectangle in here to make the swimming pool first, and then now we can click and push it down in here a little bit in here. Okay, then now we can assign with the water. We can assign with the water materials in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another object, especially about the villa design here, and on this position in here. Then we can erase this one, then we can push it up. Okay, sorry, we can click and push it up, type 5 meter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and make group in here. Okay, then now we can triple click this one and click this line and select move, tap control and just place. Okay, then now we can push it to the another side and push it to the another side in here. Okay, now we can click and select move and just place and push it to this position in here. Okay, and after that now we can make this line in here and push it to the behind in here. Now we can make the another canopy. Okay, this is about this canopy system of this villa, but we have to make the support in here. We have to make the support in here on this position, then we can triple click and make group in here. Okay, and after that now we can triple click and we can make the glazing. We can divide about the glazing system until to this position, then we can type // and enter in here. Okay, then now we can push it to the front a little bit in here. Okay, and this is about the dividers. You can type // and enter in here. Okay, and after that now we can assign with the glass materials in here. Okay, we can assign with the glass materials with using this one. Okay, so this is about the glass position. We can erase some unnecessary surfaces and also the line in here. Okay, now we can assign with the another materials in here. Okay, we can choose the materials. We can select the stone in here for the stone system in here on this design over there in here. Okay, and then now we can make the another stone in here. Okay, we can assign about the stone in here on this position over there, and then now we can assign about the color. Okay, we can assign about the color materials in here on the position. Okay, or with this position in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another something in here. We can make the something unique and push it to the front in here. Okay, we can triple click and make component, then just create. Okay, then now we can assign about the wood materials. Okay, we can use this one and select move, type control and just place, type // and enter in here, and it will be divided automatically. Then now we can make the border. Okay, we can offset it outside in here. Okay, to make the border, and okay, we can assign. Okay, we can assign about this decking and this decking in here. Okay, just like this, and can assign about the materials over there. Okay, we can click and rotate about the position. You can rotate about the position to make a proper position, just like this. Okay, so this is about the swimming pool, and then now we can determine. Okay, we can determine about the swimming pool system in here to make it more lower in here, and now we can make the water retention in here, the water retention of this pool. You can push it up a little bit in here and just click and offset it inside in here. Okay, just like this, and push it down. Okay, triple click okay, and make group in here. So this is about the water retention of this swimming pool in here, and we can sign about the concrete materials just like this. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another platform for the greenery. Okay, we can make another platform for the greenery. Can make the landscaping and just this one. Okay, now we can assign about the landscape. We can select move, tab control, and just place the position and right click and explode this one, erase. We can explode again and then make group again. Okay, and scale it down and select move. Okay, and okay, now we can duplicate the board of vegetation. Okay, we can duplicate about the vegetation of this one in here. Okay, and type 90 in here. Okay, just like this. So this is about the infinity pool prison. This is about the infinity pool prison, and now we can assign about the another materials in here, and now we can determine about the silhouette people in here. And now we can place about the semi-outdoor dining table on this area or on this position in here. And of course we can make the sloping landscape maybe. Okay, and assign about the another materials. Okay, we can assign about the another materials, and okay, and after that, now we can click select move the control this one and just place this tree. Okay, for this placement in here. Okay, and now we can make the something unique, or maybe we can make the uniqueness in here and push it to behind and click set it inside and push it to behind in here, and we can select the color in here. Okay, we can assign about the color with this one. So there is a natural, this is the industrial concept of this perimeter, or maybe we can make it more lighter than before in here. And we can also make the another something in here, like we can make something else in here and click and move it down in here. Okay, make group. Okay, copy and paste in place and just scale. Okay, push it up in here, make group. Okay, we can select make group and assign with the dark materials, and okay, sorry, now we can assign about the lumber ceiling in here. Okay, just like this, and assign okay this one, and just like this. Okay, and now we can also activate about the shadow just like this to make it more better presentation. In here, and yeah, that's all anyway. So thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. So if you have any idea, okay, maybe we can make the another things in here, like horizontal things in here. Okay, we can make the horizontal things. A component, create, select move, tab control, and just place. Type 6/ and enter in here. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I think that was impressive. And okay, maybe we can assign about the color. Okay, then now we can assign about the another style in here. Okay, just like this, and assign about the shadow over there, just like this. Okay, and okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of beneficial for you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.